So let's talk about mechanical waves and interference. Mechanical waves are disturbances that carry energy through a medium, and a medium is a solid, liquid, or gas. Waves are special because they can exist in the same place at the same time. Masses cannot. Okay, so what happens when two waves in the same medium come in contact with one another, or when they superimpose? Well, there are two options. Okay, we call this interference. It can either be constructive interference or destructive interference, depending on the position of the waves when they hit each other in the medium. So the first example we're going to look at is when two waves traveling toward each other on opposite sides of equilibrium come in contact. Notice I gave you some amplitudes. That's just to give you another way to look at the wave. So, when they meet, because they are on opposite sides of equilibrium, we treat this like adding negatives. So the first number, the first amplitude, we consider to be a positive because it's above equilibrium. The second number is going to be a negative because it's below equilibrium. So when they meet, when they superimpose, we know they're going to cancel each other out or create a smaller wave. So drawing this is going to be a straight line. Okay? What they would look like, right, is represented by the dotted lines. Okay? So they cancel each other out because when they are directly upon each other, the positive energy and the negative energy cancel out. After they meet, after superposition, they continue on their merry old way. Okay? Nothing about the wave changes. Okay? The energy just passes through each other. So when you draw the result, you're going to have them on opposite sides of where they started. So you'll have the negative traveling on the left side and the positive traveling on the right side. Notice that they just switched sides after they met. Now what happens if they're on the same side of equilibrium? Well, this is the easy one. They're both positive. Or if they were both on the bottom, they would be both negative. Okay? So positive 3 plus positive 3 is positive 6. So when we have two waves on the same side of equilibrium, we're going to create a larger wave. We call this constructive interference. After they leave each other, they keep going their merry old way. Sorry, I should have had these arrows. Okay, so first example, destructive. Second example, constructive. Good luck.